So the hyperextension, the joint going the wrong way, was the big concern with her. So initially we stabilized that joint with casts while we had some time to purchase some braces, just off-the-shelf braces. Applied those the next day and realized those weren't quite strong enough and needed to take a step up.
It's a sense of accomplishment. I think it's like the best thing I've ever done in 30 years. I've never worked with wildlife like this before. So it was one of those things where it's a once in a lifetime opportunity and you just have to savor the moment.